welcome back to the Oldub YouTube channel. Now in today's video we're going to be answering the questions that you have all asked. What is the difference between Citrus Power and Dynamite from Autofinesse? Now in this video we're going to discuss the two products, pros and cons to each, and the actual purpose of each product. Now we're in the den. At the time of this video being filmed, there is a heat wave and it is currently 26 degrees. So we've tucked the Tiguan, which is going to be our tester car today, in the den, and we're going to use it to show you the results that you want to see. So without further ado, let's kick off this video. Citrus Power, what is it? Well, this is your best friend when it comes to summer and winter and autumn and spring. This thing will remove bugs off the front of your car, and it will remove all sorts of other road grime and grease with ease. So the idea of the product is it can be used on glass, rubber, metal, trim, tyre, wheel, whatever you want to put Citrus Power on, you can use this to attack the grime on your paintwork. Now, Citrus Power can be sprayed onto the panel, left to dwell for a couple of minutes and then rinsed off. However, for really dirty cars, if you had, for example, a car that's been sitting for a long while and there was algae and moss built up in the rubber trims on the doors, you could spray this on using a detail brush to agitate the dirt to then pressure wash off. Now, as with most of these products, it's essential that you don't use them in direct sunlight and you don't let it bake onto the paint. So Citrus Power comes in a bottle, ready to use as it is, straight on the panel, no need to dilute or anything like that. Whereas Dynamite, on the other hand, is a bit more of a traffic film remover. So let me grab that one. Now, Dynamite, same principle as Citrus Power, however, the bottle it comes in isn't the final product. This has to be diluted. Now, you're thinking there's a genius trick here. I can buy a litre of this and make up much more product than if I buy a litre of Citrus Power, because I have to use that neat out of the bottle. Now, on the back, dilute at a suitable ratio between 1:5 and 1:10. Same as before, apply to the surface, using a pressure washer, rinse thoroughly. For heavily soiled areas, use agitation, same as Citrus Power. A concentrated safe citrus pre-wash solution developed to break down dirt and road grime from all vehicle exterior surfaces, from paintwork to wheels, arches and door jambs. This versatile cleaner makes light work of the dirtiest jobs, whilst maintaining delicate wax and sealant layers to their fullest. So the most important thing here is that both of these products are friendly to whatever wax or sealant you have on your paintwork. I know what you're thinking, Ollie, which one of these two awesome products should I buy as a consumer? Well, in all honesty, in my personal opinion, it doesn't really matter. My favourite is Citrus Power. I like the fact that I haven't got to worry about diluting it. I can pick up the bottle and just get straight on with it. If you're a little bit money savvy and you're buying it because you run a business, this is going to be the better product for you, because you can dilute it and get 10 times the product out of that than what you can with this one. But at the end of the day, they both do an awesome job at getting the grime and the dirt off your car. Now, let's wash the Tiguan. We'll do one door with Dynamite, one door with Citrus Power, and see what the difference is. And just for all the people out there who say you don't need citrus pre-washes or any pre-wash at all, we will do a panel to show what a normal pressure washer will remove against these two. So let's have a look at the paintwork and see how grubby it is, and see what challenge these products have to deal with. So bear with me on the angles. We're in the carport. It is so narrow in here. I haven't got enough space either side to get some good angles. but we'll start off with our pressure sprayer. Now normally you would rinse the car first, but we're just going to hit straight to dry. Don't make much difference. The only important thing is the paintwork is cool to the touch, so it's spraying. So we've got the product on there now. We'll just leave that to dwell. Train through my audio. So, like I said, the product's sat on there probably about 2 minutes now. I'm going to rinse it off and I'll see what sort of results we get. So as you can see from that, there is a night and day difference. Now, if you hadn't done this pre-wash stage, think of all the extra contamination. You'd be rubbing around the paint, introducing all them extra swales. So let's quickly rinse this off and then we can crack on with the driver's or passenger's door with the Citrus Power. So, same as before. Not as easy this time because I had to manually pull the trigger, but we're going to apply Citrus Power in the same fashion we did before, same as the wing mirror. You can see there the dirt falling off. Nice and thorough, good coverage all over. Now we're going to get an even better comparison than this one because we've got the Autofinesse sticker, and that will show us a good 50-50. So, same as before, let that dwell. I can already see the dirt starting to come off. I'll pull the camera in and show you guys a bit closer, and then we'll rinse it off, do a 50-50, and just like before, you can see how good it is. If you look closely, you can actually see the dirty water running out. So that's working its magic on destroying that grime, allowing for it to be easily removed with the pressure washer. So then, same as before, we have got a clear 50-50 comparison. Now there is still some dirt and bits and pieces on here, but there's quite a bit of tar and there's a few little marks on this door anyway. So I'll pull the camera in, show you guys again the 50-50 result here, and you can see for yourselves how good it actually is. So you've seen the 50-50, you've seen how good both these products are. Now we'll rinse the rest of this off and then I will show you the other side with just a pressure wash, showing you how ineffective it is at removing the grime. So what we're going to do now is I will show you a panel that hasn't had any pre-wash on it and demonstrate me pressure washing it off to show you how little dirt does actually come off the panel without using a dedicated pre-wash. So let's hit it. This demonstrates how important a citrus pre-cleaner is. Now, the car has been rinsed and there's still high contamination, high soiling on the bottom area of the car. So to all the people that say you don't need a Citrus Power pre-cleaner, you're wrong, and I'm going to show you the after results. Now look at that. All that grime is still on there, not moved at all. Definitely boasts the importance of using a citrus pre-wash. Most importantly, both these products are available on the Autofinesse website, and you can use my code Oldub15 to save 15% off these products. That now brings us to a close on this video, and hopefully I've given you the answers you needed to know about Citrus Power and Dynamite. If I haven't, grill me in the comment section below and give me some stick. Now, I just wanted to say I appreciate all your support on these videos, so if you could like, share and subscribe to the channel, that would mean millions to me and motivate me to keep making videos like this for you guys. Now, I have upgraded my mic, so hopefully the video is a little bit better. Like I say, if you've enjoyed this style of video, please make sure you hit the like button. But until next time, stay fresh and stay finessed.